Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys, this is Mustafatahir and I'm back with another video. This video will be covering out concept of how we can use the progress indicator for Android and for iOS as well. So as you can see, I have already ran my application, and what would be the project structure? The project structure would be I would be creating a list of map of type string and dynamic respectively, and then we would create a function, an asynchronous function, and I will apply a certain delay, and then on the basis of that we will load the list via feature builder, and we can see that how we can use the progress indicator on that. Let's get started. Here I have a stateless widget, no need for stateful. I will creating a list of users, final list of type map, type string, and dynamic users. Okay, remove this constant and come to this main and remove constant from here also. So I have created this list, and we will use this list via a function. Creating a function load users. First, in order to show the progress indicator, I would first apply a certain duration here. To apply the duration, I'll use future.delayed. Let's say we want 5-second duration. Constant duration, apply 5 seconds. After that, we want to load this list. For that, I'll use list view, shrink wrap to true. In the children, users list dot map dot to list, and simply I will return this list. Return with card. Apply a list style as a child. This is the most appropriate method, guys, and I personally use this method for my developments. For the leading, we can use circle avatar. Get the ID E, since it is a map, E, and pass on this ID and parse it to string. For the title, E and name. For the subtitle, E, age dot to string. Now I'll simply call this function. Inside the scaffold's body, I will use future builder, and in the future simply I will pass this function builder, apply the context and a snapshot. First, check for the connection state. S dot connection state equals connection state dot, if it is waiting, then we'll simply call circular progress. Return center and simply pass on circular progress indicator. And if the data gets loaded, then simply return snapshot dot data as widget. Time to restart the app. First we are getting the indicator. After 5 seconds our data gets loaded successfully. So this is how we can implement circular progress indicator. And let's say we want to implement the Cupertino activity indicator. What we can do, I will just replace it with Cupertino activity indicator. I'll again restart the app. This is way better than the circular progress one. It has its own unique style. So here guys, I will wind up this video. As simple as that, we did the job, and this is how we can implement the circular progress indicator and as well as Cupertino activity indicator by applying a certain delay. For this project I have used a static JSON list. You can use it with dynamic list too. And if you like this video guys, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share it within your community, and take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.